Porcupine stand with Silbert Yeshia. Yebedi Asante Kotoko Komo and every na Kotoko friendly game against future stars. A Joso based future stars. Ewo eye Adakojache. Nso omode Kotoko na ewo mpatemu baako. Inti Kotoko to ne nsa from na insane pii ne si wo friendly match no. Close to 9 key players Bobby. Na ehun behia say 9 key players memo obia update and state obia wo and why a game no omo entimi NC akan. I'll do that for you. You trust me on that. Na area other relevant Asante Kotoko news so no. Media start. Well, there's been a meeting between Asante Kotoko players. Make between and say omoni nipa foforo where among themselves, that's the right word, a meeting among themselves, which I would come and update you on the meeting, no? Maybe bia etimi akoye. Now, Oba, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You do that for me. Subscribe to the channel. Is it there? Make us a no more team. Subscribe. And you do that for me, just hit on the subscription button. Na yenka ejangum na mbo ama bibia ntimi ko fa cha me minimum ntino ene mekobo kakaka mekobo na yetimi adidwumadie na ama bibia akoyie ede amount na Eric Donko ena akofa asem bi aba na Eric Donko asem ode aba na say between Richmond Lamte and Stephen Oduro who say omo nyina akra ye to some extent obetimi de Richmond Lamte compare Stephen Oduro. Now, same way Ababeyasam Kessie, and it's been a debate today on a lot of media houses and their programs or more. And since it is Kotoko related, Nase Ehube here say Mebaha Menemoso more opportunity to express your views on that exactly what it is between a year Abranti and Eric Donko Asamawaka between Stephen Oduro and Richmond Lamptey. In terms of achievement, from where I sit, I think Lamte had one Premier League title for Kotoko, but Stephen Oduro has a lot of trophies. His performance in Africa, taking Asante Kotoko to the Cup Winners' Cup final, the Confederations Cup final, then Stephen Oduro boom. So these matches, make legends. In the African modern born, they can come on where don't forget, in almost 6 years, Asante Kotoko ultimately Ghana Premier League. Stephen Oduro was part of that Kotoko team ultimately a Premier League for Asante Kotoko. And Mr. Sylvester Sarri now banned to my friend Bafwa Mankwetia with Coach Abdul Razak na Oduro Kasa team no. The Africa the any now war. Give it me describe Oduro, and I think it's going to be a bit of a debate. Lamte Oduro, so the quality of Lamte Kutano. Ultimately matches Stephen Oduro quality. There's Oduro in jersey number 4, a legendary jersey for Kotoko. What is your take on this? And also your idea about one in here. Bet me at the amount. Just drop your comment and we will discuss it another day beyond podcast. Na ya say a podcast no. We can add that one to our topics. I be debating and honor. We can read some of my comments. Now, meeting back, there have been 2 meetings. So let me do the first meeting, then I'll move on to the second meeting. The first meeting had to do with the attendance at Baba Sports Stadium and in the Pahodwa about Asante Kotoko matches. Now, a key member in the IMC made some calls on how Kotoko had to focus, which is the next Asante Kotoko home game. They can maximize attendance. Once I got 3 home games for Asante Kotoko. One, had to focus. The other one, so Olympics, and the last one against Bofakwatano. So the plan is how can they maximize attendance? Kotoko game on the against Brekum Chelsea. Now, for strategies like this, you can't want someone yet me enyam from so home say BB wrong. Now, you better check out herself. If we bring this particular strategy out, I don't think say I am from strategy. No one some can now the meeting had some key stakeholders, of which I had a call I was involved. Na maybe tete kakra on the discussions how do I yeah. One, we needed to analyze the problems with Kotoko and why attendance is not the best. So next 2 weeks, give me a 25th May. There will be a list of activities around Asante Kotoko to get the fans to come and watch Kotoko Neha's match. You know? Now, challenges Nibia you outline in Nibia say one, at this point, Kotoko is not fighting for a league title. So there is nothing ambitious and not bit me use as a driving point to pull the fans to the venue. Nti Mose say team ni beji liga and ebe kan ye beji ligo mo beta ye chini emehe beta ye chini ntimi nkunim. Now there's nothing like that which was accepted by the leaders who engaged in that particular discussion. Again, we told them say the number of promo I course for Kotoko matches no were formed. And third one had to do with the communication team of Asante Kotoko. This one, no me chirimu ye numre on a nyoma ebe sisa Kotoko no. I have some of these info. But me bomb man here. So next 2 weeks, expect a massive hit around Kotoko. Inti Kotoko media no would come out with some key videos around the players. Some IMC members might pay a visit to the Asante Regional Circles Council, no, either this week or next week, on how they are going to go down and speak to their supporters not to come on board. There's an arrangement from Christopher Damenya, say Kotoko game on the board against Haas, no, buses on the board, organized buses to drive some of the fans to the venue. It's not confirmed now, but that is also part of the plan. And other traditional media. Into one year ahead of Kotoko and Haas, not a Kotoko Nations game, no. Yenya Emmanuel Newton Dashberry granting an interview. Yenya Coach Ogun granting an interview. It is possible that we might see some of these key stakeholders doing it. There will be a pre-match also to engage the media to hype the game. And team Kotoko has match in home say do ho, but the leadership of Kotoko want to maximize profit. Just reach staff one, and then wow, we video no troto ho. Say a drew her or will try and come to the stadium. May 9th will be a shred in Dofubia during the day no so no. The Maoya or Yen Kawa Yao. But in 2 weeks' time, there's another house of folk in Asante Kotoko. And as a Kotoko fan, at least what there's a season won't share match, be a brother has a match. Then what a mass Asante Kotoko. Intimi enya eye numbers ewo ho na bibia intimi ko ye YouTube mesra o ye nya mini silence what did o ja kan chire o keka no. Now let's go straight to Kotoko ene Future Stars game no. This match was organized for players who are not enjoying much of playing time. I know ADFC or NT Frederick Asare both game ni be one. Mishishe mono, I was told to say apart from the fact that they want to keep Puate active, once a download and Rame the Mama Numeni said he's not entirely fit on home turn here for Kotoko matches and into Kotoko recruit Chelsea. Somehow the medical team are doing their best to make sure Download can participate in the game, but the net Download are not involved in any form of training. Inti Asare there, Okra was suspended to Puate and a die. A branch here friend Yusuf Nuruddin also ambo game ni bi because Samuel Asamoah and a ejina chiro for Kumase Asante Kotoko Morrison and John Tedeku. John Tedeku is still running. Temiye Tedeku fitness nimbe former Wafa player left back Onumrika enu tuntene Nana Benyini Amwa and the ball left back no for Kotoko ene game one boy against team my friend Future Stars Nana Benyini boy and Nana Benyini Bundiana also and Abranti a friend John Tedeku running together with Enoch Morrison. Internet Adakoja Tedeku ne Morrison there. Name Rika and Omutu far park and home whilst the players were engaged in the game. Richmond Lamte or building the upper part and then the ties. That is the specific training. Yediamano still at the gym and the evidence of the presence at the gym. Watch it in the 9 Makacho said MRI scan is so quick. Now, Ohe Lamte, because of building the upper part and I'm still onko peja dade bozi on sa Jim no crime. Aha, on say on ketua ba bi na round 1 there be odi epije ni say no ene e wo ba bi bubba say yibi sha no say now don't say those I'll post the picture now uchi ni say round this you put your hand in and you lift it and nye weight be so sa okra betimi apeja now ho tiatia obetimi apeja enti that is what he's doing. He can't stay home and the recovery is ongoing, so Lamptey is still at the gym. Because of the FA Cup break, there is a higher possibility that Lamptey can return and participate in the Heart of Four game, depending on the strategy of the coach, whether coach in the episode use Lamptey and also episode use Lamptey. Steve Mukwala also ambo game ni bi ewo ho Baba Yaya also ensia kan ni bi enti Asare Nuruddin Morrison, Teleku, Lamptey, Blay so entity I'm participating in the game. That is what I picked right from a AJ Sports Complex. Enti Prince Adasa, Samuel Asamoah, Nana Benyini Amwa, Rocky Damna, Shadrach, Ado, Kalu, Atara Mono, and participating in this particular game. Kalu was on the score sheet together with Abrante FN Rocky Damna for Asante Kotoko. And here they flow. But now, goalkeeper Danlad Ibrahim organized a meeting with the players. Now, meeting no na story cry na comedy on. Nemom asem no sane ba bonten amba na bonten yi. Nti minyane ntie se metenetene no. The target now is the top 4. Not okay. The target is the top 4, not winning the cup. Because Kotoko company for him say winning the trophy is not possible. Summer test leading Kotoko 12 points. Empty. Mr. Obianko can't say Kotoko Marco meet is on the league. They know they can't win the league. But they want to end on as part of the top 4. Not because say top 4 over Africa and as Bibisa, because they okay. Yeah, the chairman didn't come on say massa. Penny 4 plans near say opportunity club and also Kotoko Africa common call. They don't have a team to participate in Africa. And this time and you cry discuss 4 slots no me friend massa. Njai sa discussion no na. Impulse Kenya ne beda also Kotoko Africa. Obi ati FA Cup no so onko. Obi ati league no so onko. Kotoko with this team is not part of their plans to go to Africa next season. Any shame. So the top 4 is just to have a respectable finish. It will league, and that is the new idea. Respectable finish, not to come and win the league in common. So Chelsea game, their target is a draw. Hartlepool win, Olympics win, RT win, and Bofakatano win. That is the operations. Hartlepool, on the other hand, for launch operation 9 points. They want to beat Ediana, beat Kotoko, and beat Nation FC in the next 2 matches of Hartlepool. And our 3 matches, almost 2 home matches, 1 away game, which is Kotoko. Inti Atenga, Ebewi Atenga, and no AD flow, but China, Asante Kotoko team Bekoso, I training in preparation of the matches at Domini, say Omobebo, Nabibia, Etimi Akwe. So these are some of the things that we have available for you. Inti Esreti Tafono. The next Kotoko home game there is still going to be the 20 cities. Based on what I've been told, there will be no form of increment. And I'm penning for ever to bonum basabi. Ama Bruce said because Kotoko has in Tieba be 20 cities for the popular stand no more to associate. But almost say I'm fan too many say nim die no nyansem die. The assessor omo ye Edeboa Emma Echitafo no bano ombeye. Again, let me because of the Lamptey way questioning, this is also an important question. Why is it that as a fan of Asante Kotoko Umba Stadium? Why is it that as a fan of Asante Kotoko Umba Stadium, they want some of these answers? Then you're moving on to next season, and even the 3 home matches of Asante Kotoko, they can properly shape it and get the best of results for Kotoko in terms of numbers. Our matches at that. Asante Kotoko. Yedamasi bebree. Ebe sen share bi. Bye bye.